Hello and welcome back. Let's make this carrot loaf. Here are the ingredients you need. I'll drop details in the description below. Hands washed and cleaned. I blended my carrots with the milk. Pour in a cup and set aside. In a bowl, add in butter and vegetable oil. Whisk until light. Add in your eggs in bits.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all.
Now add in your flavor. Add in some lemon juice.
For the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
Whisk.
Moving with the motion.
Now sieve in your dry ingredients in batches.
The light that sets me free.
Flour, spices, salt, and sugar. Alternating with the carrot puree. Starting and ending with the dry. Finally, add in your grated carrots. Whisk. I like folding my cake batter at the end. It's the finishing touch. Pour into a lined pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 F for 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it. Your carrot cake is ready. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Subscribe for more.